Hello, hello. I want to visit the Galerie Vivienne today in Paris, one of the hidden gems. On my left, I'm walking through the Bibliothèque Nationale, the branch Richelieu. It's a very beautiful branch, actually. And I'm turning right. So we are on the second arrondissement. It's very close to Paris Bourse, the Palais Royal. If you take the line 1 from the center, you can, like a 10-minute walk, easily reach here. So I'm crossing the street and entering. It's actually a bit hidden, and not that many people know how beautiful actually this gallery is. It's one of the most beautiful covered galleries in Paris. I'm welcomed directly by this nice, very chic Italian restaurant, Zarocco, at the entrance of the gallery. It has a very high top with glass covered, so it makes the venue look even larger, bigger, and deeper. It's very chic, actually. It's very nice inside, and I ate here. It's very delicious Italian food. It's afternoon, so it's not the lunch time or the regular service time. That's why it's pretty empty, because otherwise I think a reservation would be needed. Just taking a look. Roof and the tables are looking quite chic, actually, and elegant. So the Galerie Vivienne was built in 1823. As you can see on top, there is these glass ceilings, which are typical for these covered galleries in Paris. It was built in 1823 by this French architect François-Jacques Delano, and it became one of the very famous places of its time. There has been already by that time popular boutiques, bookshops, as we have seen now, perfumeries, and different types of shops, which have already attracted the population by its time. Oh, there is a group in front of us which are making a paid tour for, it's in French. I think most of them are in French. To explain the history and learn about this gallery. These old bookshops. Fantastic. Galerie was already one of the hubs for the cultural activity in the 19th century when it was built. And some shops which are selling some unique products as well. Stunning. I'm checking all the vitrines and all the products they are selling to show you a bit more. The glass roof. Libraries, which are called papeterie. They are also very common in Paris, selling these cards. It's in the style neoclassical. It was built as a neoclassical architecture style. Another bookshop selling very old and valuable books. If you get one of these series like this, the old and original ones, you have to prepare a budget for this. There are several passages within this passage. As you can see, we are running from one to the other. Passage de Panorama, Passage de Jouffroy. Both the ceilings, the glass roofs, and the ground are amazing together. It was renovated actually. And early 20th century, it became again, after this renovation, very famous, and now new boutiques have opened and came back to life. We see a nice patisserie here. Do you want to have a look? With some nice French desserts. And another chic boutique. It's designed for the daylight. As you can see, it's very lighty inside. It's not too big. It's something like 170 meters long. But very compact and so beautifully designed. The mosaics here, mostly white, black, and with some pinky colors. They're still in good shape. Very well reserved. So beautiful. Top here with the glass ceiling, with a total round. We are on a weekday, therefore it's not very crowded. Mostly on the weekends you will see a lot more people, and it will be difficult to walk around if we come here next time. Oh, here is the famous Lucien Legrand Sophie and the Fils restaurant, which is one of the very famous restaurants in Paris as well, and mostly for its wine, like a wine cave, like a wine shop. They have hundreds of different types from all over the world, and with a nice menu and attached to each course. So they have recommendations for even the starter, a different wine, a main menu, a different wine. And it's very, very nice inside as well. You can taste a wide variety of wine here. And very chic as well as a restaurant. The bottles are huge, as you can see. They are the extreme gross size bottles here. You can also see the mosaic on the floor. Amazing. It's beautiful. So I'm looking at it from the outside. This is one of the exits. Of the traditional old restaurants. For the moment, they are closed for renovation. We have visited the Galerie Vivienne. See you in the next video. There is always more to discover around